Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior Design. So thank you for the support that you are giving towards this YouTube channel. We are road to 1,500 subscribers. So here, this is an house update of our 4-bedroom mansionette that you see over here. It is a 4-bedroom, a kitchen inside, the dining, and then a sitting room. The 2-bedroom are not ensuite. They share a common toilet that will be built outside, and then there's the toilet that you see over there that will be used with the other 2-bedroom, and then the other 2-bedroom that are ensuite, they have been built in a toilet, and then it has 2 balconies that you see. So this is the front porch of this project, like you see over there. It has a welcoming, these beautiful 6 pillars that you see over there. So there are 2 on each end and then 2 at the middle, like you see over there. And then we have done our tiling, but even though we have not yet finished, but like you see over here, we are almost finishing our project, guys. So like you see, this is the molding work that we did, like you see over here. So like you see, and then the painting work, like you see, is over there. And then we have done the wall master, guys, like you see, we have done over there. So far so good. The project is at least somewhere. And then if we go to this is the window that we went with. As you can see, the grilling system that we went with are so much beautiful. Even we have done a molding work on each end of our windows. And then even here we have provided our double socket that we always provide at outside of our balcony. So I will give you an exterior part, like you see, and then we'll go inside. So like you see, this is the window for another window for the sitting room, and then the other balcony over there is for our kitchen. So I will let you inside, and then I show you the house updates that we have at least a bit. The last time we are here, I think we had already only done our electrical working, only wiring. So I will just now we have done a wardrobe, but it's not yet finished. But it will be better if I give you an update. So like you see here, this is the window that you see. It's an imported door. Most people call them a Chinese door, like you see over here. So there are 2 it is a double door, like you see. There's another one, small one, and the other one is a big one. So like you see, this is the key. It has so many key system over here. And then for the security purpose, they have so many locking systems. So that was the first one, the second one, and the third one. It's over here. And then even at down here, there's another one. And then even here at the top one, like you see over there, it has another. It is another locking system. So this is the welcoming corridor that you see over here. We have done our gypsum installation, like you see. This is the gypsum design that the owner choose to go with. So like you see over there, we have done our only dropping of cables, but I think at the end of the maybe in 1 week coming, we will be doing our fully electrical installation. So I will let you to our sitting room, guys. Like you see, it's welcoming with this beautiful molding work that we have done here. Even though this molding work, we have not yet painted these are our different color that will be painted apart from this cream. So this is the cream. The entire house, it's a painted cream, but this one will be painted at least a little bit a different color. So this is the sitting room, guys. Like you see here, this is the MDF board that is being used on for this side to make our wardrobes, together with the kitchen low level and a high level for our beautiful site, that our amazing project. So this is the gypsum design that you see over here for our sitting room. Like you see, there's is a 2 portion. They were divided like into 2 portions, like you see over there. And then And then we have already even installed our windows. So this is the sliding windows that you see over here. They are already working, and then even these are like a net that is over here, and then the other two windows that you see over here. So they are already working. The site is almost finished. So guys, keep tuned as I deliver to you this building journey for this a 4-bedroom mansion tour. And then, but we are thinking of putting here our TV stand that will be built here, a modern TV stand. But even the MDF is almost here, the material are here. But after they have finished the other work for MDF, they will come and then install here our TV unit. And then here, this is the dining room, guys. Like you see, this is our dining room. It's quite spacious. It accommodates to like up to even, let's say, 10 seat chair with a table. It accommodates it. So as you can see, the ceiling design we have already, it is just like as you see over here. And then here, this is the provision for our socket that will be over here, maybe for fridge or something else. And then there are 2 wall brackets. So there's three. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one is just over there. And then this is the serving window. So as you can see, this is our kitchen, but we are in our dining. So I will lead you to the first bedroom, of which is not ensuite. The first 2 bedrooms, they are not ensuite. The other one, they are ensuite. So guys, as you enter, there's this beautiful, this door that you see over here, that of same design with the first one that is on our main door. We call it imported door, like you see over here, even though it's not yet fully assembled, but I think will be assembled later. Then this is our first bedroom, like you see over here, like you see. So as you can see, this is the wardrobes that I was telling you, as I told you earlier, we are installing it. So like you see, this is the wardrobe. It's not yet complete, but it's so here there will be a provision. Like you see, this is a partition. This first one will be provided. They will be put there a dressing mirror, and then here they will put there the wardrobes. I think the drawers. They will put here drawers. So, and then here is the provision for your clothes, all your clothes. For the one whom will be using this room, like you see. So this one here, they will be used for maybe if you have maybe like at least a little bit tall, longer clothes that will be hung over here. So the gypsum design, like you see, it's just quite simple. And then there are 2 windows. So the first one is over here, the grilling system, and then sliding windows we have already done, and the other one is over here. As always, we provide a provision for air condition. So this is the provision for the air condition, guys. And then so I will let, and then this is the, I think this is the material for our plumbing. Like you see, we have not yet, but I think at the end of the day, our plumber will come and then install our these tools. Like you see, this is the toilet design that the owner went with. So I will let you to the second bedroom, of which I told you is not ensuite, guys. Like you see, so this is the second bedroom. Like I told you, is not ensuite. The other 2 bedrooms, they are ensuite. So like you see, this is the, like you see over here, this is the second bedroom, of which is not ensuite. This is the window, and then this is the wardrobe design that we went with, like you see over there. So this one and the other one, they're of same design, like I showed you. So this is the provision for our mirror, dressing mirror, and then this will be drawers, a drawer that will be installed here. And then, like you see, this is like you have maybe at a hanger, the clothes to be, maybe you need to put on a hanger, you will be using over that. And then this one is just, it has two partition, of which the other one didn't have two partition, like you see. So this is the two partition that will be here for provision for our cloth. And then, like you see on the upper part, we have even another provision that is over there that will be put. Maybe if you have maybe like maybe unwanted clothes or the clothes we don't use, you can put over there. So at the end of the day, they will finish that part that you see over there. And then this is the gypsum design. It's just of same size with the other one, with the one for the first bedroom. And then, like you see here, this is the provision for the air condition as always. And then a strapping in the double socket over there. And then even there's another double socket, of which we put two double socket in each room. So I will let you to the two bedroom of which they're ensuite. So like you see this, they will come in a molding work that we have done here, so as to bring just that vibe. So here on your right, this is the, like we can call it, this is the master bedroom, and then the other one is a bedroom, of which all of them they are ensuite. So like you see over there, this is the window, this is the door. Like you see, we can call it a Chinese door or an imported door. So here we are on our master bedroom. Like you see over here, the ceiling design is just of the is just simple, and then even our wardrobe, they are still being installed, like you see over here. So these that you see over here, they will be put at the top of that space that you see over there. And then, like you see, we are almost winding up our site. Then there will be a dressing mirror that will be installed here. Like you see, guys, this is quite big. This wardrobe is quite big due to it's on a master bedroom, so of which maybe you can use it for like with your couple. So like you see, you can use it with your couple. So you can decide either want to use the other partition and the other like you see, you can design for your couple, another couple to use the other side, or another one to use the other side. So like you see over there, I've told you on the upper part they will come and install this one. This one is not complete, is not yet complete, but they will install over there, I think tomorrow. And then here, this is the dressing room and the toilet. Like you see, even though our toilet, we have not yet finished our plumbing work. So like you see over there, the plumbing work is still ongoing, but we are decided to build a cubicle shower over here that we are still planning to do it. And then we had the owner decided that maybe we'll put on this a small dressing room. They will put there a small mirror, so as when he comes from the bathroom, he can see himself or herself over here. And then on the other bedroom, I'm being told that they have locked it. So I will give you an update maybe tomorrow after we have found the key. So I will give you the updates tomorrow. And then we'll come to our kitchen, of which you see over here. So this is the store. This is the store, guys. Like even they have locked it, but the store is not have some. It's just a small one, so as to maybe to accommodate this space, like you see over here. So this is the kitchen. Like you see, they have not yet done anything, but the low level, the kitchen cabinets that will come and install after the fundi have finished the other wardrobe. So like you see, so this provision will be for our cooker unit, and then that one will be a double socket that will be installed over here. And then this is the window. This is the window that will be used over here for our key for this side. And then this is the door. Like you see, this door is quite much strong than like you see over there. Even this locking system, guys, is quite unique. It's quite unique. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed up to this end, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. And if you have maybe an issue, or if you want to inquire our services, our number is on our bio, or our number is 0746289667. 9667. So let's meet on our next video. Bye bye.